By the end of the video, we'll know about the ultimate muscle building guide. How to pack on size and strength. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of muscle building with a comprehensive guide to help you pack on size and strength. Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos just like this one. Firstly, let's establish a solid foundation for your fitness journey. Remember, building muscle is a marathon, not a sprint, so be patient and consistent in your efforts. Start with some basic exercises and gradually increase the weight as your strength grows. Next, we'll explore the importance of nutrition. Without the right fuel, you can't expect to grow muscle. Ensure you're consuming enough protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. But don't forget that diet alone won't do it. You need to lift weights consistently to see results. Now let's talk about compound movements. These exercises target multiple muscles simultaneously and boost overall strength quickly. Examples include the squat, deadlift, bench press, and overhead press. Incorporate these into your workouts for optimal success. Finally, rest is crucial in muscle building. Your muscles grow while you rest and recover, not during your workout sessions. So get those 8 hours of sleep every day. That's it for today. Remember, consistency is key in achieving your fitness goals. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this topic in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips. Until next time.